Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025 and want to keep your Shiba Inu SHIB tokens super secure, transferring them from Robinhood to your Ledger Nano X is a smart move. Robinhood is great for trading, but for long-term storage, a hardware wallet like Ledger offers top-notch protection against hacks. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure your apps are up to date. Update your Robinhood app and ensure your Ledger Nano X has the latest firmware, including the Ethereum app installed, since SHIB is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your phone or computer and log in securely. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 2. Head to your portfolio section and locate your Shiba Inu holdings. Tap or click on it to view your balance. Step 3. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This might be under a menu like Crypto or Actions. Robinhood's interface could have slight updates in 2025, but it's usually straightforward. Step 4. You'll need your Ledger Nano X wallet address. Connect your Ledger to your computer via USB, unlock it with your PIN, and open the Ethereum app on the device. Use Ledger Live or another compatible interface to display and copy your wallet address. Step 5. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Robinhood. Double-check it carefully. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your SHIB into the void. Step 6. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to withdraw, review any network fees, Ethereum gas fees might apply, and hit Confirm. Robinhood will process the request, and it could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 7. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to verify that your SHIB has arrived safely. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. And remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay informed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Let's keep your investments secure. See you next time.